Hey girls, it's Lauren here with another episode of the Simply Curly channel. It's going to be a really quick one today, but first before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be the first to know when I post a new video. I talk all about lifestyle, beauty, skincare, and hair care, so let's get into it. So today I've decided, you know what, in 2020 I need to be better at cleaning my makeup brushes, my beauty blenders, and I was about to clean them without recording, but I figured why not have you guys peek into my life and see how I actually clean these brushes and beauty blenders. So I've committed to myself in 2020 I'm going to be better at it. I will not say how long it's been since I've cleaned my brushes because it's honestly embarrassing.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I don't understand. Why would you do this for this long?
It don't matter how long I've been doing it.
So in 2020, I'm really trying to be better at cleaning my brushes more frequently because let's face it, when you don't do that, there's a lot of bacteria and things like that do come up on your brushes. If I want to attain skin that's acne free or low acne, I want to be maintaining my makeup brushes that I use daily. So I'm going to try to do once a week cleaning or once every other week cleaning to start for my brushes and my beauty blenders. So come and see how I clean my brushes. Let's go. So my brushes are super dirty, and some of my IG followers are right there with me saying that they need to be better at cleaning theirs too. So let's get on a fresh start in 2020, girls. Dirty brushes can cause skin irritation or breakouts, transference of germs to your precious makeup products, and it can cause your makeup look to not have the best results. I got this Solid Beauty Blender soap bar as a sample from Sephora that I'm going to start this new journey with, but you don't have to buy fancy makeup cleansers. You can honestly just use Dawn's dish soap and warm water and that will do the trick too. I'm going to start with cleaning my beauty blender. And it's so gross. All I do is wet the sponge, scrub it on the bar, squeeze it under the water, and repeat until I start seeing clear water squeeze from the sponge. With my brushes, I do the same routine. This is a super easy process, but you do have to time it out at least a full 24 hours prior to using your brushes again to allow for drying time, unless you have a backup set you can use. I would suggest adding this chore to maybe a Sunday when you are doing other things around the house like laundry, etc. Just make it a part of your weekly cleaning routine. If we are trying to stay looking young, we definitely need to ensure we aren't putting anything dirty on our faces, right? Comment below, what do you like to use to clean your brushes and how often do you clean them? I'm really trying to get my life together, girls. But that's all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to be a part of the Curl family, hit that subscribe button and support the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification below so you are the first to know when I post a new video. Like always, curls, until next time, peace and love.